Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. Now I'm getting a lot of questions on my channel Musings by Amit. We have reached about 6,500, I think more than 6,500 subscribers. Okay, if any of you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe because I will come with this live. I'm trying to set a proper time for this live, but I'm going to come with this live every time. Sangeeta, hi. Sir, I'm a beginner after learning C, C++. What should I learn now? So C, C++ is good for most of the operating system kind of programming. Okay. If you want to go into Apple programming, you can learn Swift. Like iOS based programming, then you can learn a programming language called Swift. If you want to go into web based programming, since you know C, C++, you can learn Java or you can learn C Sharp.net. These are the things that you can learn. Uh, Learning is good, but try to get a job first, where even if it is an internship where you don't, if the company does not pay you, if you get somewhere to work, whatever programming language, they may be doing PHP, they may be doing C Sharp, .NET, they may be doing Java, they may be doing any programming language. If you are getting a job, try to get a job and try to get into a job as soon as possible, because from there you will see the next destination. See, it's like driving in the night. Okay, when you are driving in the night with the headlights, you can only see 10-20 meters ahead of you. You cannot see the entire journey, but you know that, okay, just by seeing these 10-20 meters I can go ahead. So have a 20-meter view for your for your career, and at this point try to see if you can get into a job. C and C++ can give you embedded programming jobs. C++ can give you jobs in operating system programming. So there are companies which do that, but you can learn Java, C Sharp.net, and these things. Okay, and prepare really well in that. Okay, use your C++ knowledge. Learn data structures in C++ or Java or whatever, which will help you. Okay, and then get into one job. Job will help you to see further. I'm learning from book, not from college. It's good to learn from book. I learned everything from book. It takes some time and patience to learn from a book. Uh, I would suggest you can do some kind of an online course, which is easier, because I've seen some online courses. They take, like, in 15 minutes they will explain a certain concept, and that concept you go and try it out, you practice it quickly, that will come to you. The same thing, when you try to study from a book, it will take about 2 to 3 days to learn the same concept, which you can do learn from an online program. Okay, I have amitpatels.com/resources, where you will see all the different online programs which are available. Some programs are some programs are free, some programs are cheap. You can go to Udemy. On Udemy you get programming for as cheap as 500 rupees, 700 rupees, and do one of them which is good. See the rating, see the number of students enrolled. Do that. With your book, this will become fast. If you really want to learn fast, this will become fast. I hope that helps you, Sangeeta. Tejas, are they specific for developers? Tejas, okay, there are two things. The program which I am building is a program for building your career, has nothing to do about software development or anything. It is about how to become an A player in the industry. Anybody in any industry can do that program, but since I'm from software engineering background, I understand software industry, so I'm talking from the point of view of software engineers. That is a program for helping you understand what are the other things you can do beyond your technical skills. Okay, about the technical skills program, if you want to learn programming, web development, Java, data science, artificial intelligence, then I have a website, amitpatels.com slash, and it is not Amit Patel, it is amitpatels.com/resources. There you will find all the online programs on software development. Okay, and believe me, I'm sure that you will be successful in whatever you are doing. Don't worry. The world is saying that software engineers are not required. I have an opposite view. More software engineers are required as we go forward. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay focused, stay rich, and see you in the next live.